from the winning coach, Coach Noel Orgulio. Coach, congratulations on this victory. Medyo iba to sa LaSalle versus UST. Now we're used to. So we're all used to the 4 sets, the 5 sets, the long matches. This time, you got the job done in straight sets. What did the team do right tonight?
Siguro napaghandaan lang namin ng yung UST. Baga yung game plan ni coach na sinabi sa kanila, nasunod lang. So yun, ginusto nilang manalo, ayun, nag-extend na naman yung third set. Kaya lang talagang ginustong manalo ng mga bata. So ayun yung resulta. Talagang kailangan nilang maghirap talaga.
Thank you, Coach. To Shavana Lapot. Shevs, 22 points on 17 attacks, 4 blocks, and a service ace. Can you just talk me through, especially the third set? Things were getting just a bit animated, but I guess the people saw the leader that you are in those moments. So can you just talk to us about that particular stretch?
Just like Coach just said, we wanted to win this game. Whether it be, of course we want to win all our games in 3 sets. And we knew that we had the capability to finish that set 25 points, but we extended it, and we just had to really show the LaSallian puso right there and then. So this is very much a team effort right now. Even though I got 22 points, everyone got 22 points together. We got as a team. Whatever that score was on that board, we did it together as a team because we wanted to win. We wanted to beat UST.
Thank you. And a good chunk of those 22 points came with the help of Ashana Nunag. 16 excellent sets, along with 3 points, 2 blocks, and a service ace. So this is your first LaSalle UST game, at least in this capacity. So just your thoughts on playing this kind of game tonight.
Siguro po medyo parang napakita na po sa akin compared po sa FEU kung paano nga po yung UAP. So I have something to expect po coming into the game. And coming from the last game nga po, parang ang goal lang po is to improve more and to learn more po.
Before we ask any more questions, okay naman na yung boses mo ngayon? Okay, now we open the floor for questions.
For Ashana, yung past 2 games, sobrang tines ka rin. Siguro para sa'yo, paano ka nananatiling composed, lalo na yung dikit na sets nung past 2 games?
Siguro din po, nasa mindset lang po na parang training lang, focus lang sa mga kasama, focus lang po sa coaches. And wag masyadong paano sa crowd. Isipin lang po talaga sino po yung mga mahalaga, such as yung mga tulong po ng coaches and yung suporta po ng ates po sa loob.
Coach, can you talk about yung quick adjustment ni Ashana sa ganitong atmosphere na ganitong kaaga na pag-deliver agad siya?
Actually, si Shana naman di na bago sa amin since senior high school nagte-training niya sa amin. So, maaga namin siyang na-incorporate sa sistema ni Coach Ramil. So, lang talaga, kailangan lang ma-expose para masanay lang talaga sa tao sa ganitong labanan. And yung adjustment, nando na yan since senior high, nakapag-adjust na siya.
Shavana, earlier you mentioned that these kind of games bring out the LaSallian puso in you guys. So, in facing a rival team like USC, what does this unleash the best in you, and does a team like USC push you to become better in these type of situations and games?
Of course, a strong team like UST pushes us to be our best. But at the end of the day, we are our worst opponent. We are our best opponent, actually. We play better because we want to play better. No matter what team we play against, we will play our best.
Coach, last season din po may nabanggit si Coach Ramil na kumbaga yung tibay ng team nasa setter din talaga. So, sa tingin niyo po ba after ilang seasons din na medyo kumbaga po naging struggle din yung paghanap ng pinaka-swak na setter sa sistema, tingin niyo po ba si Ashana na yung isa sa pinaka-stable and steady na piyesa niyo po?
Sa ngayon talagang medyo nakikita naman namin yung steadiness niya since the opening game. Nakita naman namin na nakakasabay siya sa mga setters na veterano. I hope magtuloy-tuloy pa, and hopefully ito na yung hinahanap namin na pinaka-stable na setter going this tournament.
And for Shyvana, obviously entering the past few seasons, it might have been a bit shaky in terms of going for the title and all that. But with this season in particular, what's with that new, I guess, renewed energy from LaSalle, that renewed aura, so to speak, that you've been like dominating so far?
Definitely, as us seniors, having the heartbreak that we've had for the past 2 seasons, we definitely want to come into this season and make Bawet and finally capture what we believe is truly ours. And at the end of the day, again, it's very much a mind game. All of the teams here in UAP are skilled, but it's who wants it more, who wants to win more.
Coach, besides po sa yung nagiging scoring ability or yung improved scoring ability ni Shyvana this season, ano yung sa tingin mo naging improvement niya in terms of yung leadership aspect and at the same time of being a more matured player on the court?
For Shyvana, siguro in-embrace niya lang yung task na binigay sa kanya ng pagiging captain. Nakita naman namin yan nung una, nag-struggle siya in our trainings, nung in-announce ni coach na siya yung team captain, medyo nag-struggle siya, parang nag-overthink siya dahil sabi nga namin sa kanya, Shyvana, yung nasa dibdib mo, guhit lang yan. Hindi mo kailangan buhatin ng buo yung team. Marami kang katulong.
Just coach, quick thoughts lang. Next game, UP na wala ring talo. They came off a reverse sweep of Ateneo before you play tonight. Just quick thoughts.
Ano lang, paghahandaan pa rin namin sila, gaya nga ng lagi namin sinasabi, itong UAAP na to, walang madaling kalaban. Lahat paghihirapan mo. Kailangan tiyagayin mo, gustuin mong manalo. Paghandaan lang, sabi, eto, tapos na yung UST. Looking forward naman kami ngayon sa UP. One game at a time. Kung sino yung dadating ng kalaban, yun ang paghahandaan namin.
Just additional question lang to Chefs. Yeah, mentioned one game at a time, but UP, one of the teams that got your number last season. So, just a quick thoughts on the process.
Definitely, we want to not even out the score, but we just want to make Bawet against what had happened last season. And like Coach said, we had just finished this UST game. Now we're looking forward to our next game because it's on Wednesday. So we have to change our thinking straight away from not being too masaya about what happened today on cloud 9, as Coach likes to say, and focus on the upcoming games because, yes, one game at a time.
Okay, there are no more questions. On that note, coach, players, congratulations, and we appreciate